Well, I hope you all are doing well at your places. Well, my name is Kashvi, and today I'm going to interact with one of the great personalities we have today. What's your name?
Amreen. My name is Amreen.
Okay.
What's yours?
Well, my name is Kashvi. How are you doing?
I'm fantastic. How about you?
Well, I'm pretty good. Tell me something about your education qualifications.
Okay. My education qualification is concerned. I had completed my graduation from IGNOU.
Okay. And what about your school?
Okay. I have done my schools 10th plus 12th and from the CBSE board.
Okay. What was your school name?
School
What was your school name?
RSKV.
Okay. Currently, are you doing job?
Yes. Presently, I am doing the job.
Okay.
I'm working in the Fair Deal Noida Sector 10 as a assistant customer care executive.
Okay. How long have you been working there?
2 years I had completed on there.
Okay. Before that, you were working somewhere else?
Yes, I was working in the Esprit Toyota as a customer care executive.
Okay. And like, are you thinking of to like leaving your job?
Yes, I'm thinking about. I'm thinking I have to change my job because I have to do working in MNC. So that's why I'm preparing. And right now I'm preparing for the English communication.
Okay. So like, how's your experience with Mr. Ashwin Ahmed sir?
That's a very that's a very good experience because you also see when I came here that time I couldn't speak more.
Yeah.
You know that.
Yeah.
You know that also. You also told me you have to speak more.
Yeah.
Right now, Alhamdulillah, I can speak. So that's why I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling very glad also because sir also many times told me you have to speak more. You have to speak more.
Yeah.
So I'm feeling very glad.
So that means the experience very good.
Yeah.
Okay. So like, apart from English, are you thinking of learning any another language?
No.
Only
I'm
English.
only English. I'm learning.
Okay. So that means that you are learning English. You want to because you want to work into the MNC. That is
Yes,
it.
yes. That's
Okay.
why I'm learning.
Okay.
So,
And
are you in the 12th class, right?
yeah, currently I'm a
So,
student of
what's
class.
going on your exam?
Well, currently my exams are not going on. It
Okay.
will be held in November.
Okay, okay. Before your brother also coming here.
Yeah, my elder brother is coming here as well.
Okay, okay. Yeah, he told to me Kashvi's exam is going on
Yeah,
that time.
it was going on that time, but nowadays my holidays are going on, and I'm just doing my pending works and just preparing myself for the upcoming exams.
So you're right now you're studying in the 12th class,
Yeah,
right?
currently I'm a student of class
Okay.
12.
So what's going on your school life?
Yeah, it's so like not like that of good I imagine, not like that of bad I can say. It's good. It's on the track like that. So I'm enjoying it with my friends.
Okay. So in which what's your stream?
Well, I'm from commerce background.
Commerce background.
Yeah.
So do you like commerce? Because you have I think you have maths also.
No, I'm from non-maths.
Okay, non-maths.
I have IP, informative practices, coding Python and all like that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that is why I choose it as well. Yeah, and you also asked that do I like it? So yeah, I'm enjoying my stream. Like, I don't have any regret of choosing it. Like, a lot of people do regret over choosing their streams because they think that they are not made for it. I don't think so. Like, if I've chosen it, definitely I'll have to opt it.
So how much time you are doing this study in a day?
It depends. I'm not that kind of consistent, but yeah, I every day study. I do not miss it. Like, though I study, if I'm studying for 1 hour, then I'll dedicate my 1 hour fully. I just don't distract myself from that. For like, when my exams come, so I study for 3 to 4 hours. It depends on the schedule I've made it.
Because you have to go to school also.
Yeah, because
and
I
you
have to
take the
manage
tuition also.
tuition, schools, and like some household chores, and like some my chores, my personal chores like that. So
Because
yeah,
you have to do because you have to do some tuition classes also.
yeah, because they give kind of homeworks. My school always also give me homework. So yeah, that, and sometimes I give tasks to myself whether I can do this or not. So I'm kind of
you know that schools homework is much more according to me.
yeah,
Because
they are putting the burden onto the students nowadays. I don't think so. Like, they are saying that, you know, that there was my 10 days of holidays, autumn break. What our teacher told to us was like that, make 3 to 4 like projects, you'll able to make it. And like project must contain 40 to 50 pages. Like you can imagine right now like how I'm going to make it like.
So you should educate to your teacher, ma'am. I have to study and I have to write only.
Now look, we cannot say anything
You know
now.
that what's the benefit of the writing also, because you know most some people are doing the by open
Mhm.
like
NISU.
NIS. So if you are doing the regular basis, regular, so that's the difference. So if your teacher is giving writing work, so yeah, that's a benefit in your exam. You
Yeah.
know that,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
you have to do early
Yeah, yeah.
or but if some people is a non regular, that's a very difficult for that person, because he can't do early in that exam. So
Writing
that's
speed.
writing
Okay.
speed, that's a very important in the exam also.
Yeah, I'm getting your point. That is nice point.
So yeah, that's a we also think about that. That's a very difficult. Teachers given that's a project, but that's a
Actually, you know what? That no work is that kind of burden that we make it. You know, it depends on to our schedule, how we manage it.
yeah,
It's all about how,
because
our management.
because we have to do study also
Yeah.
more and more and more. So that's where we think about that. We have to written work. We have to study also.
Mhm.
So that's why we always think about that.
Yeah. Nice talking to you.
Thank you.